What should I wear to the masquerade party? Of course, I can look good in everything. Oh, what a pleasant day it is. Stay out of my house, you little brat. I will punish you, you little rascals. I will make sure you'll never bother me again. I will hang you by your tail, you rat.
Something doesn't seem right here.
I will get you now, rats, and skin you alive! What are you doing in my house, you little rat? I'm looking forward to having my favorite breakfast. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy! It tastes so bad. I'm definitely the best chef in the world. This will always be my favorite show. No! What happened to my TV? My favorite show was about to start. Shut up, you silly cat. I'll keep you locked in here forever. How come that naughty cat just vanished? I will find out. No! No! My favorite dress! No! I like tea so much. Ooh! Is there a secret witch inside? Oh, my beautiful hair. Everyone must be so jealous. Happy birthday to me, la 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 la. Happy birthday to me, la 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 la. Time to party.
Why hold a singing competition? No one can sing better than I do.